In this video, we're going to learn to manage the embroidery design notes and add special sequence notes that will all show up in our printed preview and save with the embroidery design. And so let's go ahead and use our embroidery designer to open up a design of some butterflies. And the first thing I'll point out is that in your properties box there are two tabs. One is the information about the design, the other one is the notes area, and this is your ability to add any notes. This is the one, and you could put any kind of notes that you needed to remind yourself why you did it, or when I sewed this there was something special, or maybe this is the one that's for the red shirt and there's two designs and the other one's for a white shirt. And so you can leave notes and those notes will save with your design. Also, in your sequence area, you can click on a color and then right click and choose to add a note before that color or after that color. So if I say add a note after that color, a window opens up and I can say what I want it to say. So after this color, do this. And say OK. And so now that note has been added to the design, and I could add notes in between colors or in between embroidery elements. So add another note after this one. This is the time to do something. And all of these notes, if this is a note that you use regularly when you make your designs, then you can actually save that note and give it a name and then reuse it again later. This is the something note. And so if I need to use it again at any time, now I can scroll down, choose another area, right click, add a note either before or after, and this time I can choose the something note. And I've already added it. And so now we've added some notes to our design. We've added some general design notes. This is the one. We added some special notes in between the colors. And you'll find that if you look at your design in print preview, that all of those notes can be available. So for example, down below here, it's not hard. It's kind of hard to see it, but there's where it says, this is the one. And if you want to see the individual sequence notes, what you actually need to do is go into your settings, and instead of printing this all on one page, let it print the color analysis page. And so now we'll get a two-page kind of view of ours, and it's this second page here that has all of our notes that we added into that design. And so isn't that something that's really amazing about the Floriani software, is that you have the ability to add design notes and you have the ability to add in special sequence notes, so that if you create a design and you want to sew it again later, you will always remember exactly how to stitch it. And if you want to send it and share it to your friend and they open it up with their Floriani software, all the sequence notes can be saved with the design. And so this has been a video about how to manage your sequence notes using the Floriani software.